Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout NV step by step. Start by creating a character, allocating SP, EC, IAL points that fit your playstyle, and picking a starting trait to shape your role. Explore goods, talk to NPCs, and accept the tutorial quest to learn basic combat and dialogue systems. Save early and often to avoid losing progress during tough encounters. Use VATS in close fights. Manage ammo and chems, and recruit companions to cover weaknesses. Build your character with a clear role in mind, whether that is a sharpshooter, speech-focused negotiator, or stealthy scavenger. Prioritize perks that boost your main weapon or essential skills, and allocate points to cover repair, medicine, or lockpicking as needed. Experiment with different combinations and reload earlier saves if a perk choice feels wrong. This keeps the game flexible while letting you enjoy unique roleplay options throughout the story. Hey folks, if you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying between sessions effortless and funny while you loot. It pairs well with long playthroughs by keeping your space neat without interrupting immersion. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Combat blends real-time shooting with strategic VATS pauses, so mix both to conserve ammo and land key hits. Keep an eye on companion health and equip them with weapons that match their strengths, and use chems wisely for critical moments. Faction choices change questlines and NPC reactions, so weigh your decisions before pledging support. Save before major faction decisions to test outcomes without long-term penalties and learn from each run.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.